Good afternoon, Comar team. As many of you are aware, local and state governments are beginning to relax restrictions and slowly start to open their economies back up. We've seen some pretty positive trends around the number of coronavirus cases across the country, and hopefully we see those trends continue to improve and we see more and more states open and relax restrictions across the nation. I'm sure you, like my family, is very anxious to get out and do things as simple as have dinner at a restaurant or go see a movie, and hopefully we'll be able to do those things soon. So as we're seeing economies and states open back up, we're beginning to prepare for our full return to work, get all those office employees that are working from home, get all those employees back into the office, and begin to wind down the special pay. So over the next couple of weeks, we'll be formalizing all of those plans and sharing that information across the organization. But in the meantime, starting next week, we are going to start a voluntary return to work for those employees working in Voorhees and ID Works. I think, as everybody knows, we've been very consistent through this whole thing that being cautious and protecting the safety of our employees are the top priorities. So as we begin to return those to work that have been working from home for a period of time, we're going to make sure we follow the same protocols and procedures that we've put in place in the plants. I think the plants have a big head start, and they've done a fabulous job of figuring out how to do things safely and protect each other, and when we need to do those same things in our office environment. So we'll be doing things like temperature screens, and we'll be doing things like wearing masks and practicing social distancing. And we want to start bringing people back on a voluntary basis so that we can do it slowly, so that we can step into it, make sure we've got good processes and procedures in place, and make sure that we can do things as effectively as we've been doing them in all of the plants. As we watch local and state governments over the coming weeks and learn a little bit more about specifics of when the stay-at-home orders will be lifted, once we have that, we'll share more details of when the return to work will be more official. So voluntary in the short term, but we're hoping by the end of May or early June, we can have a more consistent return to work process across the organization. But again, we'll do it in a safe and smart way and make sure that we're protecting our employees along the way. So appreciate everything that the organization continues to do, the support that we get from those working in the plants, the support that we get from those working from home. Both are difficult things in this environment, but really appreciate all that the Comar team continues to do to help manage through this difficult time, and feeling pretty good that we're going to start to see things move back towards what feel like more normal. It's going to take a while before it's completely normal, but at least we're going to start to move in a direction where things feel more normal, can get more engaged with each other, and really anxious to get back to life and get back to doing those simple things, going out to a restaurant, going to a park, going to a movie. So as you step into this weekend and are thinking about what you're going to do, hopefully you can enjoy the weather a little bit. Remember that top priority, being cautious, protecting the safety of our employees. So be thoughtful about wearing masks, be thoughtful about social distancing. A lot of great progress, not out of the woods yet, and up to all of us to be thoughtful and safe as we start to enjoy more normal activities. Hope everybody has a wonderful weekend, and thank you for everything that you do.